Hello guys! Look at that! It's a beautiful morning outside. It's a lovely weather, and in today's video we'll be learning how to make rich and healthy French toast. French toast is very popular across the globe. It is very easy to prepare and is full of protein and calcium. Kids love it and adults enjoy it. And it's a very quick recipe. If you're an office going person or a working person, then this is the best solution for your healthy breakfast. Let's get started. The ingredients required are eggs, milk, bread, sugar. So here we're using white sugar, but then you can also use brown sugar. It's according to your preference. Then we're using salt, cream and cinnamon powder for the healthy twang, and butter. Let's get started. We're making this French toast for 2 people, so we require at least 3 eggs, which will give you at least 6 to 8 slices of bread. So we're adding our 3 eggs into the bowl. Mix them well, get them incorporated. The eggs are perfectly whipped. Now let's add some sugar. So we're adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it well so the sugar gets completely incorporated in the egg. Don't forget to add the salt to taste, but we're only adding a very little pinch of salt, okay, very little. We're adding cinnamon powder. It's very healthy and it gives flavor as well. So yeah, there goes the cinnamon.
You can also add vanilla if you have pure extract of vanilla to enhance the taste, but we are not adding today.
Yeah, you can add vanilla as well. Now let's add 1 cup of milk. Mix it well. A teeny bit of cream can be added to increase the consistency and make the batter. We've heated the non-stick pan over here and kept the flame to on low. Now we're adding the butter. Turn it around. Look how perfectly cooked that is. Our hot and yummy French toast is ready. Let's go ahead and set it on the plate with cream and butter and everything else. We've added some honey and cream and some chocolate sauce as well. As you know, kids love chocolate sauce. And here we go. Our amazing French toast recipe is ready.